Want bass so loud it shakes your mirrors and rattles your soul? Today, we're covering the best subwoofers built for serious SPL competition and extreme bass setups. If you live for loud, let's check out these monsters. Starting strong, the Kicker 44 CVX122 is a powerhouse when it comes to output and efficiency. Rated at 750 watts RMS and 1500 watts peak, this 12-inch subwoofer features a cast aluminum basket, a solocon cone for durability, and a massive magnet structure for high excursion. Kicker's signature design ensures hard-hitting bass with sharp accuracy, perfect for daily drivers and SPL competitors alike. Paired with the RWK4CU wiring kit, installation is clean, reliable, and ready to handle serious power. If you want massive output without sacrificing sound quality, Kicker's CompVX delivers in a big way. Next up, the American Bass XFL 1522 is built to push limit. Rated at 1000 watts RMS and 2000 watts peak, this 15-inch subwoofer uses a non-pressed paper cone, dual 3-inch voice coils, and a strong double-stacked magnet structure for massive output. Known for its brutal bass response and extreme reliability under pressure, the XFL series is a favorite among SPL competitors worldwide. If you're chasing serious decibel levels and need a subwoofer that takes a beating and keeps pounding, the American Bass XFL 1522 is an absolute beast. For next-level performance, the Rockford Fosgate T2S1-16 is a masterpiece of engineering. Rated at a massive 1000 watts RMS, this 16-inch single voice coil subwoofer features Rockford's vast technology for increased cone area, producing louder, deeper bass. The aluminum voice coil, former and triple-stacked motor structure ensure unmatched power handling and long-term reliability. Designed for extreme SPL setups, the T2S1-16 not only hits hard but does so with remarkable accuracy and depth. If you want a premium sub that can dominate competitions while sounding tight and musical, Rockford delivers. The Sundown Audio X15V 3D2 is built for extreme output and control. Rated at 2000 watts RMS, this 15-inch subwoofer uses an ultra-high excursion design, an oversized 3-inch 8-layer voice coil, and an enormous motor structure. Its optimized cooling system allows for heavy, sustained use without heat issues, perfect for high-demand SPL session. With insane excursion and brutally deep bass extension, the Sundown X15V3 is ideal for hardcore competitors and daily bass heads alike. If you want bone-rattling bass with serious durability, Sundown's X series is a must-consider. Finally, the Skar Audio ZVX15 V2D2 brings insane bass performance at a competitive price. Rated at 1500 watts RMS and 3000 watts peak, this 15-inch monster uses a triple-stacked ferrite magnet, a high-roll foam surround, and a competition-grade pressed paper cone. Designed for extreme excursion and ultra-deep low-end output, the ZVX15V2 is made for SPL competitions, but sounds great even in street setups. If you want brutally loud bass, high-quality construction, and a subwoofer that can take abuse without tapping out, Skar's ZVX series delivers major bang for your buck. And that's our list of the top 5 best SPL subwoofers for car audio. Which beast will fuel your next build? Comment below, and subscribe for more real-world car audio reviews.